Alright, this headlight plastic sucks. It's actually getting hard to see at night or early morning driving to work. So we'll see how badly I can mess this up by trying to make it clearer. Got some 800 grit, 3000 grit, and then a buffing pad and some compound. So we'll give this a shot and see how it goes. I'm sure it could tape this off, but quite frankly, it's not worthwhile. Not in this car anyway. Alright, just put a little bit of compound on there. I don't know, I think it's better. Could probably do a bunch more polishing yet. Still got a whole bunch of scratches and stuff in there, but well, it definitely looks better compared to the other side so far. Getting there. I don't know. Stick out a little bit more and see how it comes out. Well, I've done this with little, drill mounted kits before, or even just the hand scuffing ones. I can tell you right now, Power Tools makes this a hell of a lot faster. So even with polishing the lenses and getting rid of the yellow, my little beams are actually still very yellow and dim. I was beginning to wonder if it was an electrical problem. So I had tried looking before and I couldn't find it, but I finally found where the ground is for this. Yeah, right there is the ground that goes into the body. All you gotta do is take the air cleaner lid off, unplug the MAF, pull that out of the way, then pull the filter out. This piece actually just pops loose out of some rubber grommets. The hard part is there's a air box down here that's got a pipe that comes up. That was very difficult to get off, and I eventually just kind of cracked mine, but then it popped right out and it was nice and easy. And then, yeah, like I said, that stud down there comes out of the body. The bolt was pretty rusty, and I think that bolt threads were the only thing that was actually trying to make contact at that point in time. So pull that out, ground off the end of the wire, the loop a little bit, and then ground a little bit of paint off of the body, and then bolted it back down there, and immediately the lights got white instead of yellow. So now, while that doesn't look like much, that is significantly better than it was before. And with the high beams on, the high beams work good. So I don't know why it's just the low beams. I did try adjusting it. My driver's side was quite a bit higher than the passenger side, but the only adjustment is that serrated nut right there has got an 8mm hex on the top, so you can just with a ratcheting wrench or back through here with a socket, and you can adjust that. And the only adjustment seems to be up and down, which kind of sucks, but this is what it is. At least I got a little bit better headlights now for the low beam.